2019 Ford Escape. Gas engines flex, tow, sip and go with Ford Escape. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, leather-wrapped steering wheel, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, power windows, electronic stability control, heated front seats, rear window defroster, compass, trip computer, fog lights, security system, brake assist, panic alarm, remote keyless entry, overhead console, tachometer, driver vanity mirror. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.